Grateful Gardens is coming to Nevada. It will be located in a student union. It is a place that offers vegan, organic, and gluten-free options.
We were asked by the guy that runs Joe Crowley Student Union. He came to us and asked us if we would be interested in putting in a Grateful Gardens Express in the Joe Crowley. We just broke ground this week. So we were hoping to be open by the time school started, but it looks like we're pushed back a little bit. So we're hoping about the beginning of October.
All of our meats are clean, meaning there's no chemicals, there's no antibiotics, hormones. They weren't raised with hormones. There's no nitrates or nitrites in there.
So we wanted to create something, a restaurant that works for everyone. So if you were eating meat, you could have really clean, healthy meat. If you were vegan, you could have options. If you were paleo or gluten-free, you could have many options.
It's all fresh foods from Reno. Some things that we can get, we receive from Cisco, US Foods, but most likely you're gonna be eating something that was grown in Reno. Before, I used to eat really bad, really bad.
I think you're gonna feel better once you have eaten a meal at Grateful Gardens or Grateful Gardens Express. There's no antibiotics, no growth hormones, no hydrogenated oils or high fructose corn syrup. Everything is very mindfully purchased, and we do as much local as we can. We're organic. So I think that even the person that's not looking for so much of a healthy meal will feel the benefits of it. You feel better. You're not as tired. You're not bloated or bogged down, you know. You're just eating really healthy, local, organic food, and it makes a difference in your whole well-being. Our sandwiches are great, our soups, the BLTA and the FLTA, which is the fake bacon, are two really popular ones. So I think our flavor profile on the sandwiches are really unique and exciting for people.
It's from farm to table.
It's whole food based.
It was just something that spoke to us, and we knew that it was Reno's time.